To our maths classes with a new topic, 3D surface area, another topic in our revision booklet. So let's get started and listen to the story. Once upon a time, there was a curious young student named Alex who was learning about geometry in school. One day, the teacher introduced the concept of surface area, and Alex was immediately intrigued. Imagine an object in three-dimensional shape. The teacher began. The surface area is the total area of all its exposed outer surfaces, she said. In other words, is the sum of all the two-dimensional areas of the object's faces. Alex thought about this for a moment and then asked, "Can you give me an example?" "Sure," the teacher said. "Think about a cube. It has 6 faces, each with a certain area. To find the surface area of the cube, we would add up the areas of all 6 faces." Alex was starting to understand. "So the surface area tells us how much skin an object has," he said. "Exactly," the teacher said. "And it's not just useful in geometry. Surface area is also important in physics and engineering, where it can be used to describe the properties of an object." Alex nodded, eager to learn more. From that day on, he paid extra attention in class and soon became an expert in surface area. So after hearing the story, let's understand these with some examples. Surface area of a cuboid is, like we know, that's the surface area of is the total area of all exposed outer surface of an object. It is like a skin that covers and protects the body or the object. We take the points. The points are the surface area of a shape is the total area of all of its faces, and to calculate the total surface area, you need to work out the areas of every face and add them together. So this is a cuboid, and you have to open the cuboid to find each and every shape and then start working out each and every shapes one by one. To understand more about this, let's take an example. In this, we have been given a cuboid which has 8 cm as a height, 4 cm as a width, and 5 cm as a length. So the formula to find the surface area of a cuboid is 2 in bracket length times width plus width times height plus length times height. Okay, so let's understand this. If I need to calculate the surface area of this cuboid, what I need to do, my front, which is 5 times 8, okay, I have to multiply, which will give me 40 centimeters square. Then I have to do the same thing for my back also, the back side of this the front one. Then what I need to do, I need to do the left side, which is again because it's a rectangle, it's a length times width. So 4 times 8 is going to be my 32 centimeters square. Similarly for the other side, right hand side also. And the same thing I'm going to do for the top, which is 5 times 4 is going to give me 20 centimeters square, and similarly for the bottom. And then you have to add all these values together to get the total surface area of this cuboid. More about the pyramids, let's take an example. Now, pyramids in mathematics are three-dimensional shape with a polygonal base and triangular faces that meets at the common point known as the apex or vertices. Where is the apex and vertices? Let's see. Apex and vertices are the point where all the triangular shapes are meeting. And pyramids are a type of a polyhedron which is solid with a flat face. Now to understand more about this, let's see the example. When I'm opening this pyramid, it will always have a square base. So it's a square based pyramid which we are talking about. So for that, if we open all four sides of this square based pyramid, we'll get the triangle each side. Now to understand this more with the help of the example, let's see. To calculate the area of this pyramid, for example, we have been given the height of the triangle as a 20 centimeter and the base of the triangle is 12 centimeter. Find out the area of this entire shape. Now, to find out the area of this entire shape, first I will find out the area of my square, which is 12 times 12, means 12 square. It means it is my square. Okay, so 144 centimeter square. This is the total area of my square. Now I have to work out for my triangle. So triangle has the formula, which is half times base times height, and I will substitute my values as per the formula. So half times 12 times 20 is going to give me 120 centimeters square, which is the one part of my triangle. Now to get the total surface area of this shape, I need to do 144 plus 4 times 120, because all four triangles area I have to take into the consideration, and then find out the total surface area of this shape. So my total surface area of this shape is 624 centimeters square. Now, after that, let's take one more example of the prism. Prism is also a very important, 3D shape, which usually comes in your exams. So in this shape is made out of two identical 2D shapes facing each other. You can say that. So these identical shapes are called the cross section. So let's take the base can be triangle, square, rectangle, or any other polygon. You have learned about polygon in the previous lessons. So please, if you don't remember those things, go back and check the videos again. So these are some of the examples of the prism. Now, you to identify the prism out of these shapes. How can you find it out? As I have already given you the points before. So can you pause the video and check if you can answer this question? Alright, so prism is the one which has a polygon as a base. So it means this square can be my prism, this cuboid can be my prism, this cylindrical shape which has another polygon as a base is my prism, and this triangular shape is my prism. As you can see, the surface area of the shape is the total area of its faces. Alright, now in that case, if I have to calculate the total surface area, I need to work out the areas of every face and add them together again with this shape as well. Take an example. So if this prism is given as a in your question, like it, and all the sides are given like 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 and 5 centimeter, and you need to calculate the surface area of this triangular prism, how are you going to do it? So first I'm going to break this entire prism into different shapes and then start working with each and every shape. So first I'll take the triangle which is in my front. It's half time base times height, so the area of my triangle will be 6 centimeters square. Similarly, I'll do the same for the back one as well, and the answer will be 6 centimeter too. Now I will work for my left side, which is 3 times 6, 18 centimeters square, and this will be the area of my left one. And for the bottom one, I will say 6 times 4, and the answer will be 24 centimeters square. Now this is not done here because I have the slanting side as well. So I have to calculate the slanted shape as well, which is 6 times 5, which is 30 centimeters square, and the area for this is like this. Okay, and this is my shape. So the area of this shape will be 30 centimeters square. Now what I need to do, I need to add all of them together and find the total area of a surface. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember to always break down the problems, use logical and critical thinking, and check your work. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to tackle similar problems. If you have any further question or need help with the specific problems, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you again, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.